Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to get data from Scrape Google Maps locations with an API. To do this, we will use a tool called Google Maps Extractor. This scraping tool can extract thousands of places from Google Maps in minutes. To start, find the Google Maps Extractor on the Appify store and click Try for free. You will be taken to the sign-up page to create an Appify account. It is quick, free, and does not require a credit card. Once signed in, you will see the Google Maps Scraper input page. You can set it up using the user interface or JSON. In this example, we will use the regular input. There are several ways to scrape Google Maps with this tool. The easiest method is by search terms and location. Type what you want to scrape. For this example, we will search for restaurants. Then choose a location. To verify the search area, open the link in the tooltip and check the location on Google Maps. For this test, we will scrape restaurants in New York, USA. We will limit the results to 1,000. If your area is smaller, you can refine your search with geolocation parameters such as country, city, state, US county, or postal code. You can also define a custom search area using geographic coordinates. This allows you to draw an outline, like a circle or polygon, around the area you want to scrape. Besides location, you can set search term filters such as the number of stars or excluding closed businesses. Before running the scraper, save your setup and create a task. This helps with scheduling, integrating with other tools, and managing multiple configurations. Now, click Start to begin the scraping process. You can view the progress in the Log tab or see results in the Overview section. In a few minutes, we have 1,000 scraped restaurants. You can export the data in formats like JSON, CSV, or an HTML table. You can also select which fields to include or exclude. After choosing the format, download your dataset. As a bonus, the scraped data can be visualized on a map in the Key Value Store. Another way to scrape Google Maps is by category instead of search terms. There are over 2,500 official Google Maps place categories to choose from. You can use them alone or combine them with search terms as a filter. You can also scrape Google Maps using URLs directly from the Google Maps website. Simply copy and paste URLs into the scraper. Each map view has a unique URL, meaning even a small movement changes the link. Keep in mind that Google Maps limits this method to a maximum of 300 places per search URL. To avoid this limit, use search terms, custom search areas, or categories instead. For larger areas, enable the Deeper City Scrape feature. It focuses on populated areas and skips empty locations like deserts, mountains, and lakes. This is useful for scraping entire states or countries. The tool automatically divides and zooms into areas, ensuring no location is missed. You can also scrape specific restaurant chains like Burger King or Pizza Hut. To do this, set the search term, location, and number of results. The scraper will filter out businesses that are not an exact match. If you want to automate your workflow, schedule the Google Maps Extractor to run at regular intervals. Go to your tasks, select the scraper, and set up a schedule. You can also integrate it with cloud services like Google Drive, Zapier, or other Appify tools. That's it. You can try Google Maps Extractor for free at the link in the description. You can also try the Google Maps Scraper and Google Maps Business Scraper for free. If you want to explore other Google Maps scrapers, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.